Hari Om children, this is exercise number 1.3, sum number 2. A new transit system has just gone into operation in Chennai. Transit means transport, okay. So Chennai is using metro trains, is it not? So about that only this sum is, okay. Of those who use transit system this year, 30% will switch over to metro train next year and 70% will continue to use the transit system. Suppose people are using their mode of transportation will be cycle or car or two-wheelers like that, okay. 30% of those who use those transport system, among them 30% will switch on to metro train next year, the forthcoming year, and the remaining 70% will be continuing to use the same transit system what they are using this year also. Now coming into the matrix format, transit is equal to, I'll take as metro train MR, transit, the ongoing transit system, and metro train. Metro train, M indicates metro train, okay. So transit system, metro train. So the first statement indicates 30% which will switch over to metro train. So 0.30, 0 won't come, so 0.3, and 70% will be using the same mode of transport. And the second statement, of those who use metro train this year, 70% will continue to use metro train and 30% will switch over to the transit system. So 70% will use the metro train and 30% will switch on to the transit system. So this is what the matrix we have got. Now we will see the last statement when we write the formula, when we substitute in the formula. Clear? Now at equilibrium position, A B transition equals A B, where A plus B equals 1. Here B can be, A plus B is transit system plus metro train equals 1. Suppose we need metro train means we can change it as 1 minus transit system. This we will apply for the second part of the sum. So I am deriving it here itself, okay. So now transit system into metro train transition equals transit system, B indicates metro train. Now the last part, transit system and metro train, the last part of the sum. 60. Suppose the population of Chennai city remains constant and that 60% of the commuters use the transit system. 60% is transit system and 40% is metro system. So 60% transit system means 0.6, metro system 40% means it is 0.4, and write down the transition matrix 0.7 into 0.3, 0.3, 0.7. Now multiply. Just a minute. First row, first column, 6 sevens are 42. So you will get 0.42 plus 4 threes are 12, 0.12. And first row, second column, 0.18, 6 threes are 18. 7 4s are 28, 0.28. Okay, now add it up. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 0.54, and when you add these two you will get 0.46. So the first question is, what percentage of commuters will be using the transit system year after the next year? So this is for 1 year only. So 0.54% of people. Okay, now answer for the first question. 50. When you convert it into percentage, you will get 54% of commuters will be using the transit system year after the next year. Now moving on to the second part of the question. What percentage of commuters will be using the transit system in a long run? Okay, that is even after 1 year they have to use the same transit system. So that percentage they are asking. In order to move on to that, we are taking this formula again. Transit system metro into transition matrix equals, you will get transit system into metro, that is here I already said that a plus b equals 1. I am deriving it here again since we are going to use it here in this for this subdivision only. So transit system plus metro train equals 1, metro train equals 1 minus transit system. Okay. So now we are not going to substitute for T, R and M. We are going to keep it as such, transit system and metro train into the transition matrix 0.7 into 0.3, 0.3, 0.7 equals transit system and metro train. Now multiply first row, first column, 0.7 into TR, 0.7 TR plus 0.3 metro train. Okay, here first row, second column, 0.3 TR plus 0.7 M equals TR and M. Now equate these two, first element with the first element. So 0.7 TR plus 0.3 M equals TR. Now instead of M, I can substitute 1 minus TR. 0.7 TR plus 0.3 into 1 minus TR equals TR. Multiply this inside the bracket. 0.7 TR plus 0.3 plus into minus minus 0.3 TR equals TR. Subtract 7 minus 3, 0.7 and 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.4 TR equals TR. The coefficient of TR is 1 here. Okay. So we are going to subtract in the next step. That is what I am indicating. So plus will converted into minus when it goes to the other side. 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. 10, 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. So it is 0.6. 0.6 TR. Now TR equals, take 0.6 to the other side, it becomes division. Cancel it in the third table. Now I am going to remove the decimal into 10 by 10. So I will get TR is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50%. 0.50. That is 50%. So what you will conclude? 50% of the commuters will be using the transit system in the long run. So with this, sum number 2 of exercise number 1.3 is completed. Hari Om.